And Rockstar kicking NPK in the head. Trying to win match. Oh man, NPK out of nowhere. After NPK being dominated for quite some time now, he's going to get his momentum back as he goes up against Rockstar. Oh. Look at this. Oh man.
Yes,
Woo!
PK kicking lifeless.
Come on.
Saeed!
Oh, and for the side, here's one of his drop kicks. Oh man! Big leg drop to the back of the head. We're gonna have a new tag team champions here at Lightning Storm. No.
Come on.
Oh, submission hold.
Don't tap.
And ladies and gentlemen, this show is brought to you by Gatorade, the official sponsor of Fight. Remember, the winner become tag team champions. Skillz That Kills have been the champions since Fight Line, biggest pay-per-view of the year, when they won a triple threat tag team match. They faced good challengers. Now it comes down to this. I'm gonna go with Skillz That Kills in this one because they've been the tag team champions.
Come on.
Quite some time. And a Hurricane Rana by Rockstar. Maybe he could change the momentum and get the. It looks like a tag to Dynamo, but no, he has NPK cornered. He's taking this one for himself right now. Oh, shoulder block taking on NPK. Rockstar up high. Oh, staying her leg drop. Makes the tag to Dynamo. Dynamo. Oh! No Dynamo. Smashing FPK's head into the turnbuckle. Oh, Paydirt just tagged Rockstar. We got pinned in the ring. Who? Oh! Rockstar.
Oh, not today, not today. You want him? Not me. Oh, shit, you picked me up. Not again. Oh,
NPK.
Man, you're just stupid, aren't you?
Oh. Dynamo.
Whoop.
Oh, and a big DET. Is he going to pin Dynamo? Are they going to retain the tag team titles here? Tag to Paydirt. And another kick to the head. Oh, man. Oh, and Paydirt taking out Rockstar. Oh, Paydirt and NPK look to be the favorites right now to retain the tag team championships. Now Paydirt shoved out. Ref really should count Paydirt out here. Remember, NPK is not the legal man. Paydirt is, who's outside the ring. As a brawl just broke loose from all that. Now Rockstar taking on NPK. Sorry for the Lots of chops taking out Rockstar. You remember the legal man right now on the ring, Paydirt and Dynamo. Oh man, what a flying clothesline!
Get up! Get up! Go! Twist the face!
Oh! Oh, submission! Submission! Yes, it is windy today. Oh! Call for a twist of fate. Oh, head first off the knee. Clothesline. Rockstar going outside the ring. Another clothesline. Rockstar getting a comeback now. Rockstar's proven himself to be a high flyer. Is he going for his finisher move? Oh, he got him! We're going to have new tag team champions. Oh, a cheap shot to Paydirt. Oh, we got a pin. 1, 2. Oh, man. on. It's a tag to Dynamo. Dynamo shoving NPK. This is not usually like all the tag team matches of NPK and Paydirt. It's been one-sided. Oh, another clothesline. He's looking to finishing it off right here. Oh, with a leg drop. Oh. Dynamo can't put away NPK. Paydirt has not been in this match for a while now. Oh! This might be the chance. Here, Paydirt's coming in. Here comes Paydirt. The running drop kick. Oh, Rockstar being taken out of the equation. Paydirt's coming out of here. Oh, they're looking for their double super kick. Oh! Oh, NPK. Paydirt, is he going to pin Dynamo here? Ref going down for the 2. Oh, and Rockstar just saving his tag team partner. Paydirt taking care of business of Rockstar, who's been right over there. NPK's over there trying to go after Rockstar outside the ring. Paydirt and Dynamo, remember, those are the legal men battling out right now. Oh my gosh! The action's all over the place. Meanwhile, Dynamo just slammed Paydirt.
Come on, Paydirt. Come on. Counter it.
Oh, man. They have not been able to get out of the starting gate at all in this match. This is like a storm. Submission hold.
Hang in there, hang in there. Come on.
Wearing down Paydirt. Oh, nice spine buster there by Paydirt.
Come on.
They're going up to the top rope. Oh. Okay, he wants the tag. Paydirt. Oh, it's spine bustered. Rockstar gonna look to put away Paydirt. Oh, shoves him off. What is NPK doing? This is not a no disqualification match. Rockstar getting distracted there by Paydirt. Oh, Paydirt taken out to the outside.
Go, Rockstar, come on.
Oh, he's gonna tag him in here. Oh, and a tornado DDT.
Twist of fate!
Over the twist of fate.
Come on! Whoa!
Oh, man.
Come on! Hey!
Oh, twist of fate. And Paydirt and Dynamo going at it. NPK now picking up Rockstar. What's Dynamo doing with the chair? Oh, and kicks him in the back of the knee. Oh, taking out the ref. Oh, with the chair. He just hit NPK with a chair. Oh, and Paydirt getting shoved out by Rockstar.
I got him. Finish him.
Now he's gonna go get him with the chair. Meanwhile, back in the ring. They knocked out the official. They can do all this they want, but they know. Oh, man, what a spear. Now Dynamo is getting the ref. It's Rockstar. Gonna snap it down. There we go. 1, 2, 3. We got new tag team champions.
Oh my gosh.
We have new tag team champions.
Oh my goodness. The streak is over. We have new tag team champions. and Skillz That Kills have been killed by their skills. The new tag team champions, the X Factor. NPK not really happy about this loss. And we have our new tag champions. What an amazing match with our new tag team champions. And Skillz That Kills? Oh, no chance.